right, that was 2 bags of my frozen cranberries in my greased 13 by 9. We're just gonna go ahead and make sure those are flat so that we have a flat surface. Perfect. Now I'm gonna bring in my orange, and I have my lemon zester here, and we're going to get that orange juice just right on top of those cranberries. Cranberry and orange is such a classic combination for the holidays. So I just had to make a delicious cranberry orange dessert. Woo!
Squeeze it.
Okay, and we're only gonna use half of our orange, but I think we did a good job
Yeah, that's all of it.
juicing it. Now I'm gonna bring in my sugar cookie mix, and we are just gonna dust this right on top of those cranberries. So the orange and the sugar cookie will really complement the tartness of the cranberries. It won't be too tart because we have the sweet sugar cookie and the sweet orange juice in there. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so delicious. I'm kind of just trying to get that sugar cookie mix evenly distributed on top of our cranberries. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good, you guys. So easy. Literally the easiest holiday dessert you've ever made. I'm gonna grab this and I'm just gonna spread that out, make it flat. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the crust for our delicious cranberry orange desserts. And if you don't like cranberries, you could do raspberries, you could do cherries, but I just wanted to be extra festive. Now I'm gonna bring 1 mini can of ginger ale. We're gonna pop this right on top. And this is what's gonna turn our sugar cookie into a crust on top of our cranberries. Okay, so I think we need a little bit more ginger ale, so I'm gonna grab 1 more can, but we're probably only gonna use about half of this second can. Just make sure all of that dry gets touched with the soda. Now you can use butter if you don't wanna use a soda, but soda's a little bit cheaper and it goes a little bit further, so that's why I chose the ginger ale. All right, my oven is set to 375 and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. All right, I took this out of the oven and I let it sit for 15 minutes and it is time to serve. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to taste those juicy cranberries. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all that delicious juice. All right, into our bowl. I'm gonna grab some more of that goodness and just pour it right onto that crust. But you know this is not done unless we get some extra creamy on there. Beautiful. All right, cranberry sugar cookie cake.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. That is really, really good, you guys. You have to try it.